right now we're going to demonstrate how to use the very analog phone system. So first of all, we'll have somebody call in case you need the number. The number's on the screen over here. It's 312-567-3088. So you can give that out over the air. When somebody calls in, you have to say, hey, so-and-so, you're live on the air. So we're gonna have a demonstration of somebody calling it now. All right, so you see it's come up here. So to pick it up, usually we go with the top one. We'll just tap that. Now, when we turn on the phone system and also change the board to program 2. Hello. Okay, now talk.
We'll turn the volume up.
Hello?
Okay, so that's how this works. And obviously the reason we have it on program 2 now is so we don't go live on the air, but this is also a great way to screen your callers before they actually go on the show. So basically what would happen is you would turn program 1 off like we have over there. You would switch the station over to 2 on control room, which it'll just affect what you hear inside here. Basically what the phone system does is it jumps to the next open line, essentially. So now we're on program 2, you can talk to the person, still have your music running on the main channel, and you know, unless you know this person and don't need to screen them, this is just a good method for that. So then when you're ready to actually go on, you'll just turn program 1 back on, you'll change control room back to 1, and you'll be all set. Something to make note of, you'll want to use headphones because when you turn on the mic, you're not going to be able to hear the person on the phone line. We've had someone before turn it off, or turn the microphone on to speak, then immediately turn it off, but that's just not that efficient. So that's what you would do. Now, say for some reason you're popular enough to get a second call and you want to keep this one person on the line still. Well, before you go hitting this thing, make sure that you hit hold and then open the next line. Say you got a call, you would open that up. Now, if you want to go back to this one, you'll have to remember to hit hold again on that, open this one back up. Now, you really hate caller 1, you're done with them. Well, hit the drop button. Now, to drop the last line that's open, maybe you really don't like them either. It's also busy, so we'll drop that. And that's basically how this works. If you want to dial out, you just have to dial 9 first, wherever it is, 9, and then 9-1, and then the rest of the thing, just without a second 1 after that. So, yeah, that's how you use the system. It's pretty analog, but once you get the little nuances like that, it's easy enough.